I am selling American Silver Eagles. How you doing, everybody? Hope you are doing great today. I am actually in the process of selling some more of my silver stack. I've talked about selling American Silver Eagles many times over the course of the span of my YouTube channel. Today is no different. Right now, we are seeing the lowest prices that you could buy American Silver Eagles for about $40 to $42, give or take a buck. And a lot of the deals are if you are buying American Silver Eagles in mega bulk, 1,500 plus, right? If you see it on JM Bullion and APMEX, you're going to see their best or lowest price available option. And if you're paying by check, and the price is around like $39 and change, $40 and change at the time of the recording of this video. And they are, again, selling for $1,500 or more in order to take advantage of that deal. So I've said before, I've purchased American Silver Eagles over the years, and I've bought them for around $17.50 to around $18.50. I did buy some when they were maybe in the $20 range, and again, I did buy a couple of tubes around the $30 range. So why am I selling these right now? It's my opinion that American Silver Eagles are prime for selling. I do not think that this is the time that people should really be stacking in bulk American Silver Eagles, unless that is, of course, you are of the belief that the prices are going to skyrocket further and you are going to then cash out at that time. It's my belief that it's not really going to necessarily happen that way. Why do I think that? It's just a gut feeling. I could be completely wrong. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals. So, I do think, though, that we are going to stay in this kind of pattern for about another month or two, in this upper $30 to $40 range in terms of American Silver Eagles. And then I do feel that there is going to be a decline of the spot price. And I think once there's a steady decline and it continues that way for a long period of time, and I'm talking long period of time, meaning a couple of months, then I think you're going to see the decline in the American Silver Eagle premiums. And I think you're going to start seeing that gap between what the spot price is and what the American Silver Eagle price is. And that space between them, that premium of around $12 to $13, you're going to start to see that kind of come down, right? Back in the day, and when I say back in the day, I'm talking like 2 or 3 years ago when I started stacking hard with the American Silver Eagles, they were going for around $2.50 to $3 over spot. You were seeing that the spot price was around $15, and you were able to get these for $17.50 to $18.50. $18.50. So that is one of the reasons why I'm selling off some of my American Silver Eagles. I'm not selling all of them off, though. I do have plenty more, but I have said this before, and I will say it again. I don't think that it is a wise or strategic move to unload everything all at once. I think that it is extremely challenging to time the peaks and the valleys when you are looking to buy low and sell high. So what I like to do, just like I dollar cost average down when I purchase stuff, I also like to sell off my silver, my gold, and what have you in waves on the way up. And I am going to do that again right now. I see an opportunity to realize some profits, roughly doubling my money. And so that is why I'm going to sell off some of these American Silver Eagles. I don't have any connection to my Silver Eagles. I don't have a connection really to my collection of coins. There are some things that I like a lot more, but over time, as I've sold more coins through my auction, I'm coming up to roughly 100 auctions now. I'm going to be doing, I think, the 94th or 95th. And I sell a lot of my store. I think that it is very challenging for a lot of people who are stacking and collecting to not have that emotional attachment to their silver and gold. And I think that once you are in the process or in the practice of selling more frequently, I feel like it's going to become a lot easier for you to do that, to part with your stack, right? There's a lot of people that would say, I will never sell my silver stack ever. And let me just turn my camera a little bit that way. That's a little bit better, right? A little bit more centered there. This diagonal is driving me nuts. I'm looking at it here and my OCD is starting to kill me. I digress. But I think as you sell more, you're going to start getting less and less emotionally attached to your collection. So I think that you should try to sell off some of your precious metals when you can take advantage of these opportunities to realize profits. Now, these American Silver Eagles, like I said, they're going for around $40 to $42 a piece online. And when you have the generic bullion, something such as, and I'm going to show off this isn't exactly generic. Some people would consider it to be generic. This is what you would call like an art bar. This is something that was minted by the Hamilton Mint, right? But a generic bar, and I've showed these off in plenty of my videos, or a generic round, those are going for around $30 to $31 a piece. So some people are of the mindset or the belief that silver is silver, it doesn't matter. Here's an example of where American Silver Eagles will maintain some of that premium that generics will not. And again, you're seeing that the American Silver Eagles, like I said, going for $42. The generics, they're going for $30, $31. And if you are of that mindset that silver is silver, and look at me holding these by the edge here without gloves. If you are of that mindset that silver is silver, in a sense, if you have American Silver Eagles and a substantial amount of them, if you wanted, you could in fact go and try to sell these for around $38 to $40 a piece, and then turn right around and take those and buy generics if you want to. Now that's something that I wouldn't necessarily do. I would in fact sell American Silver Eagles right now if you bought them for a low enough price. And I would take those profits and I would either A, hold on to those profits and wait for the prices to come back down, which they most certainly will, and then buy back in, or take those profits and then turn those into gold. I think right now is a great opportunity to be doing this. Like I said, you have these $13 to $14 premiums on American Silver Eagles, which you can take those profits, convert into gold. We're seeing the gold-silver ratio sitting at around 64, 65 right now. So this is one of those great opportunities to really convert the silver that you have, start putting into gold, because again, as time goes on, and nobody really knows how long it will be, but as time goes on, you're going to see that gap, right? We have that 65 to 1 right now. We're going to see that gap increase again. Just this last summer, we were sitting at 120 ounces of silver for 1 ounce of gold. So this is a very good opportunity to be trading in your silver for gold, or selling off some of your American Silver Eagles. Not all of them. Sell off some of them if you have them. Because again, if you want to try to time everything just right, chances are prices are going to come down. But in the event that the prices continue to go up, you still have some that you held on to, and you can sell off a little bit more to realize a little bit more profit. So anyhow, that is what I am doing. I am selling these American Silver Eagles. That is why I am selling off my American Silver Eagles. Those profits that I'm taking from this, I'm probably going to either turn into more inventory for my auctions in my store, and or I will convert some of those profits into gold. Let me know what it is that you are doing down below. What is your strategy? What are you doing with American Silver Eagles as it relates to generic silver and as it relates to gold? Comment down below. And I just want to quickly thank these elite channel supporters, and if you haven't become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. Check out these videos. Until next time, long live the Empire.